Video.
BPO.
How are you, Ellen?
Well, you're asking me how are me? Well, I'm good.
Well, I'm cute. Oh my
Well,
God. Are you nervous? Are you nervous?
I'm not nervous. I'm Orlan.
Paglihok mo ba kay video mo eh? Nana mo. Oh. Hi guys.
Hi.
Actually, we got Susan here. DJ Susan.
With you?
And this is Evelyn. Evelyn, if you forgot her name.
There, and then you can find the. Okay.
Man, this is man. Yeah. This is Amy. Amy.
Before I'm Amy, now I'm Amy.
Yeah. Before you're Amy, now you're Amy.
I was transformed by them. Hello.
This is Giselle. Look at her tongue.
What?
Emergency!
Hi. Hi, I love you.
This is Freedom, endorser of Coca-Cola. Yeah.
Endorser of
And
what is
this
it?
is
Lock and Lock.
Aridala,
Yeah,
our dishwasher.
No, Lock and Lock endorser.
Lock and Lock. Endorser of Lock and Lock.
Hey, how are me? Hey. I'm Orlan. I'm not nervous. Hey, Margie.
Hello,
Hi,
Susan.
hello.
Hi. Hey, that is Marilyn in front of.
Who are you?
I am who?
Who are you, man?
Yeah.
This is Jan and signing off.
Yeah. This is the CR. The CR. This is our CR. And this will be going to have a scandal later. And this is.
There's no grace.
Hala!
Mga tao ba yan? Bawal na sa coke. Bawal.
Sure. But you.
Oh my God. I want nobody but you.
Wala ka na klaro.
I want nobody but you. Our last meal.
Hey guys, ayan po kalindi. Remember me na.
Remember me not.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Yeah, we'll start at 1.
Remember me not.
Remember me not.
Papapicture ka ba?
We'll be going outside because the boys are outside. Here you go, the boys. Yeah!
Yo, welcome to LTV Hour for Life. My name is Bada People. I'm War. Welcome to Summerland. I would like to, I'm sorry.
To what? To what? To what?
To present to you the most gorgeous trainee of Summerland 2009, Miss Amy Lidre.
Yeah! Give it up.
I love you.
Amy.
I love you. Yeah, man.
Ayun sa ating
And actually, welcome to the culmination day for our training. So the land, well, it's a sad day because we're gonna say goodbye to everyone. But anyway, this is a why? Oh man, I'm stiff again. Stiff. Relax. Control emotion. Speak slowly, okay? Guys, welcome to our culmination. Yes. What? What the fuck? Yo man, welcome to our culmination. It's very sad day. We're gonna say goodbye. Oh, bye, no. And it's actually a pleasure, to have these people, Merlin, and Nan, and Tito Martin, hello to you. Oh, I would like to say thank you for all the people who's, trying to impart their lives to us and try to be a part of this training, okay?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Actually, I'm all interviewing you all. What can you say about the training?
Thank you very
He's
much.
DJ Marilyn. Yeah. What can you say about the training, about all this stuff right here? We're going here right now, and for this past almost 20 days. Okay, start. What can you say, Marilyn?
Marlon, thank you to all of you, my friends.
Oh yeah.
Then give it up.
Having together, fun.
Oh yeah,
It's a
man.
nice experience in the Satellite Global Services. And that's all.
That's all. Yeah.
Thank you.
Give it up for GM, General Manager. What can you say about training and all the fucking stuff that we're done? That we are.
Kimambuhat na to diri naggirgir ta.
What?
What?
What's wrong with you, man?
And I have a lot of time.
Don't be stiff.
What?
Don't be stiff.
Yeah.
Relax.
Thank you, Lord, because I'm here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's all.
Thank
Yeah.
you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Me.
Thank you.
Yeah. Give it up for Soul. What can you say, man? The training.
First of all, I want to thank my sponsors, especially on my outfit,
What's
Virgil
that?
Era, and my
Yeah.
jeans,
UK.
and my shoes, Circa,
Circa.
skate shoes,
Circa sketches. Circa.
and about training, I've learned a lot, and especially when pronouncing correct English.
Correct, yeah.
And want to smoke?
Yeah, I want to smoke. I want to smoke.
Oh, get a break. Get a break.
See ya.
Cool. Cool.
Okay, that's all.
Ay, pag-sure na. Pag-sure na. Pag-sure.
What can you say about the training, Miss Annalisa?
I'm sorry a lot because I made a lot of friends. Can I finish my food first?
Oh, sure you can.
Okay, we're actually Annalisa is the most, kind
Stand behind the Sunland.
our training because
Stand behind the
you can't
Sunland.
imagine first that's with the ass grill, right? So
Yeah.
we really owe her a big amount. We're gonna pay all our, what we have eat, and anyway, this is the last day, okay? So God bless you
Okay.
all and see you soon. Sana'y maging bahagi kayo ng aking buhay. Ayan, huwag ka na ever mag-tag kasi. Huwag na makikala. Freedom.
Hey, Freedom, what can you say about the training?
I'm so great. I'm like learning a lot and
And what?
Busy siya, busy.
Let me see. Hey, what can you say about the training, Marion? What can you say?
I'm enjoying it.
What I'm enjoying? Hey, Anna, welcome back. What can you say about the training?
What
don't- Can you say about the training, Anna?
It was fun. I made a lot of friends.
What can you say about the training, Evelyn? This is a live interview. Because we are on mix. Hey, Evelyn, I'm serious. What can you say about the training? Because this is a documentary.
Yeah, everything you're training.
I'm asking Evelyn, not Susan. Sorry, Susan. Okay, Susan, what can you say about the training?
How about the training? If you train about the trainings and the trainings, if you train, yeah, that's all.
What can you say about the training, Giselle? Giselle, hey. What can you say about the training?
The training is so good, it's so great.
That's all.
That's all.
What can you say about the training?
The training is so fun. I got a DJ Edit, I've got DJ Glenn, and we are all DJs. Yeah, it's so fun. I got so many.
Yeah! Oh shit here. What can you say about the training?
It's good, it's good.
It's good.
It's good.
And the whole training, the whole span, almost 20 days of training. What can you say about it?
It's good, it's good.
How about that man?
Is that all you can say? It's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Does he exist? Trying to interview him. That man.
Hey,
dude, man.
Hey, Owen, we'll interview you after. Almost 11:20, 11:26.
Oh man. Ayun, sa aking mga palitan akala. Ayun.
Okay, Owen, what can you say about the fucking training we had?
Well, the talking. Sorry, I don't know. Actually, about the training, I learned math. I learned how to speak English. You know, talking with the trainer. Hey,
How are you today?
the trainer, not the trainer. Yeah. What more?
What more? How about your companies? How about your companies, your friends, your new friends?
Well, my company is I almost built up.
What? You're building your own company.
Yeah, I will build up someday Sutherland company, or will my company, will my Glenn, the local for no, the cover boys.
The cover boys.
The four cover boys like VG Marlon, VG Glenn, GM,
Yeah.
VG Len, then VG Ching, the four, as in four, cover, like the cover chicken, you know, at the cover man, yeah, it's got four cover chicken, four cover boys.
Four as in pobre.
We're having a ooh. Hey, Adidada. Adidada, what can you
Yes,
say
what
about
is
the
that?
training? About the training, what can you say?
Well, it's not really hard. It's so easy to fail. You know.
What more? We need.
Well, you want me to? Hey, silence. You want me to use bids or
No, it's up to you. We're
It's
not.
up to me, okay?
Yeah.
Well, actually and basically, thematically and practically, that's it.
That's it.
Okay, thank you, Marty. Thank you.
Thank you. I think I'm done interviewing this guy.
Dalit pa kayo ng mata o Bluetooth nga bastos. Oh, tapos muna siya. Yung pagkauman no kay labastos kayo si Dalit. Dalit ka tara, oo. Di ba? Tapos bastos kayo.
Katawa-kataron.
I think that's it. This is the guys from Sutherland. Wave 1. The first wave of Sutherland. The first style wave.
Wave.
Yes. The people. I think that's it. For now. And this is Sutherland Global Services. Sutherland Global Services. Over and out.